Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have 22 Nee Dohs, and I never had Nee Dohs before until now. I have a blue color changing one. I have a pink Nee Doh that is a color changing one. A yellow one that is also a color changing one. A pink bubble globe Nee Doh. A purple bubble globe. And I also have two blue ones for the bubble globe Nee Dohs. I also have the Nee Doh pup one that is pink and purple. These ones are my favorite. I also have a Nee Doh cat one. This is the orange one, and I could only found one of it. I have one shaggy Nee Doh that is pink. I could not find any other colors for this except for the pink one. And I got this one at Five Below for the shaggy Nee Doh. I also have some normal ones for the Nee Dohs. This is a purple one. A orange one. A pink one. And a blue one. I could not find any other colors for those except for those four. So if they come in any other colors, just let me know. I have a ice cube one, but they do come in three colors: purple, blue, and pink. But I could not find the purple and pink one. They was all sold out. So therefore, I only got the blue one. Now I believe that this was the last one that they had too. But comment down below if they do come in more colors or just these three colors. And I have like more normal ones. I have an orange one. I have a pink Nee Doh. And I have a blue Nee Doh. Wait, purple. Sorry for saying blue, like right there, but I was just looking at the blue one. I also have a purple one. And I have the crystal Nee Dohs. Comment down below if you know what color this is, like a pinkish or purplish color, or reddish purple color. I have a new blue that is brand new. Sorry for the typo again. Crystal Nee Doh. And I believe this is a red one for the crystal Nee Doh. And once again, I am sorry for the typos that I did. But my favorite, if I had to choose just one of them, my favorite has to be the Nee Doh Ice Cube one, which I wish I have all three colors. But if I have to pick my top three, it would be the blue Ice Cube one, the blue crystal, and the pink color changing one. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of the pile that I just showed. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I hope that everyone enjoyed this video.